What's up guys, it's Kevin Jr. from Ace Racing. Today we're going to unbox one of our PowerForce clutches, so come take a look. First of all, you're going to see the most important thing in here is the instructions. Please read those. Next you'll see our bearing setup tool. Check out the link below so you can see how to use it and why it's so cool. Shims to help you set up your bearing. Ford Racing pilot bearing, if you've got a Ford application. The all-important alignment tool. And of course, the clutch, which features our patented PowerForce technology. All aluminum, really light. So, if you want to see this product and some other products, check out our website at aceracingclutches.com. Check us out on social media, like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you next time.